So welcome back to another video. This time we were making a superhero poster of Electro, a Spider-Man villain. And to start with, we have a sunset background of a power grid as our template for today. As I want to give the background a more orangey warm filter, as you can see. And I think this process will look very distinct as we go later on into the process. So next up, we have our main render of Electro. As I want to touch up his inner and outer glow, just to highlight the render a bit more to the image, and to give it a bit more of an intensity look. And I want to also additionally add some extra lightning coming from his hands, just to enhance obviously the image, give it obviously just to emulate its kind of scale of power, and additionally as well to add some orangey kind of glowy eyes as well into the render. We then add our smoke onto the bottom of the background with an opacity of around 70%. I also brought in an orangey overlay sheet as well, just to blend both the foreground and the background together with the colour and lighting. We then added some white particles and additionally some fire spark particles as well, giving off the destruction and the mayhem that is being made. I then add some sun rays onto the image, giving it a sunset feel, and I wanted to also just incorporate some weather elements into the image. I then added some lightning rods which would be used for the main text, as you'll see in a moment, and I will also additionally add an overlay of another body of text behind it and give it some motion blur, and what you'll see is a really interesting visualization of kind of the motion, the movement of the text, kind of similar to Electro's power. I then added my watermark, and then I finished off the image with some additional colour correction, just giving the image a final nice touch. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.